y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. Then my name is Deanna, and today I'm going to be installing this wig that I got from work with me with the pronunciation, from Ashimary hair. Ashimary, that's cute. Ashimary hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. So this is a 13 by 6 26 inch 250% density body wave wig. So they pre-pluck this full frontal for you, so I ain't have to do nothing. They pre-pluck this for you, and not only pre-pluck it, they pre-bleached it. Okay, this is what the inside looks like. It is transparent lace, and so we're gonna have a lot of fun with this. It comes with this tag. It has an elastic band on the inside. The elastic band has the non-slip grip. It has a comb at the back, the 2 adjustable straps on the sides, and then it also has 2 combs on the inside, and it's on a dome cap like this. And this wig, I can tell, is constructed really well. I just want to show you what they gave inside the box. So first are these roses here, and I'm like, what is this? So I open it, and it is such a cute like necklace or bracelet. It looks like this. I think it's a necklace that has an A on it for their company name. They give you some lashes, a wig band, an edge brush, a razor to cut your lace, a wig cap, and also a really cute light blue robe. So these are really cute gifts. But if you want to see me install this wig, then you got to keep on watching the video. Alright y'all, so I personally feel like I have not recorded like a full frontal video like in a very long time, where a frontal where it's not taped down. Like this is a full, I gotta glue that down type frontal. So we're just gonna go ahead and get on into the video. So I have these like thick braids in here. My hair was in 2 big braids earlier, but I had to redo that. So I'm just gonna take my edge control and slick back my edges in the front. And for this install and for my frontal installs, I actually stopped doing wig caps just because the wig caps don't work with me in the type of hairline that I have. I have very long sideburns that I refuse to cut, and like my hairline like here comes down pretty far. So just having to work with like a wig cap around that is just a little bit too tedious for my liking. Alright, so now the front of my hair is prepared like that. So I'm gonna slide it on. Alright, so I have plucked the lace just a little more behind the hairline because I feel like I'm gonna wind up having to cut this off. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the ear tabs and make sure it fits comfortably around my ears. Alright, so I got my ear tabs cut how I want, like this. Now next thing I want to do is clean my hairline. I just have rubbing alcohol in this bottle. Alright, and then something else I started doing is taking like a lip liner pencil and kind of marking on the lace like how far I need my glue to go, just to make sure I lay the glue down properly. The glue that I'm using is the Wig Dealer Extreme Hold, this here. So I'm just gonna place it in those areas inside of the lines here. So I wound up doing about 2 layers of that, and so now I'm just going to pull this forward. so I let this sit. Ooh, child. Yes, for a considerable amount of time. And now we finna cut the lace. So to cut the lace, I am using these zigzag scissors. I got these from Amazon. They're just fabric scissors. Because when you cut the lace, it makes it zigzaggy. And now after I've cut the lace, what I'm doing now is I'm just going back into like small little areas and I'm applying like glue so I can have the wig lay down super flat. Like right here, behind my ear. I'm gonna put some in the front right here. And just smooth it out. And then I'm also going to put some like in that little pocket that's sticking up right there. And then I'm gonna pull it down. Just use the back of my comb and press it in. And I'm gonna lay the front again. All right, y'all. Now it's time for the actual fun part, which is time for like actually like styling the hair. So I want to show off the hairline, and never mind this like white cast. Of course I'm gonna go over it with my makeup later on, but before I do that, I just want to like style the hair first. So this is what the hairline is giving. I'm going to keep like the sideburns long. Like I just want to keep that long since they're all the way down here. So I'm going to do a half up, half down type of vibe, because I'm like, I love a good half up, half down style. All right, now I'm just using my edge booster to smooth out everything. Y'all, so I decided I need baby hairs. I was trying so hard to do something like without them, but it really just didn't feel like me. And then I'm redoing my little bangs, just like this. All right. And this is better. All right, so to catch y'all up on things really quickly, I actually curled my hair with my curling wand off camera. This is my second time actually trying to style this hair, because the first time I did it, I didn't have baby hairs and I didn't like it. So I'm redoing it here with the baby hairs. So that's why my hair is already curled. So just wanted to let you know that. Baby hairs make a difference. They do. There we go. Oh my gosh, that's so much better. Okay, yeah. And now we are done. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It took me 5 hours to get here, but we're here. It really almost did, actually. I started at 12, it's 3:45. So it took me about 4 hours to get here, but we got here. And that's that on that. Anyways, you guys, all the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Should I cut these little bangs? Nope. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.